In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete the Google Advertising ID on your Samsung device. The Google Advertising ID is a unique identifier that allows advertisers to track your activity and serve personalized ads. By following a few simple steps, you can remove this ID and stop receiving personalized ads. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Google. Tap on it. After that, tap where it says Ads. And then scroll down a bit and tap Delete Advertising ID. To delete the Google Advertising ID, simply tap on this button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.